did you get at Tasties?
Fish sandwich, gumbo with ting.
Is it good?
I mean, like, I've had this before and it's always good, you know.
Perfect. So you guys heard that. Fish sandwich,
Yeah.
combo. Tasties, lit.
Yes. Lit. Lit.
So just walking around, I think we're trying to find somewhere to eat. And, well, she's trying to get coconut jelly.
I'm looking for
Dress.
what is it? It's the dragon stout with the cherry syrup.
Cherry syrup with little cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sell it.
Yeah, I thought so, man. May I get one, please?
What's that? Let me get one too.
It's so good, Steven. Give thanks.
Yo, make it.
What's up, seeing all these sun people? How do you feel?
It's my favorite.
Favorite, right?
Never wanted to end.
Of course, these people live for Tasties. This is their place. Tasties day in, day out.
I don't want that. I want the restaurant food back.
Restaurant food?
One, yes, and cha-cha.
Damn, I have to lift the camera up high to get your face. I'm not sure, I think you guys can remember like on my Snapchat when I did like I was in Tasties and I was like in Tasties like uptown. It's completely different here. Here it looks brought down completely. Like, it's not as lavish as the one in the Kingston area that I've been to so far. I've been to two so far and both of them look very modern, but here it's a little bit drab. But still nice, who cares? You get me? I say it's still traditional food, right? What did you get at Tasties?
Fish sandwich, gumbo with ting.
Is it good?
I mean, like, I've had this before and it's always good, you know.
Perfect. So you guys heard that. Fish sandwich,
Yeah.
combo. Tasties, lit.
Yes. Lit. Lit.
So just walking around, I think we're trying to find somewhere to eat. And, well, she's trying to get coconut jelly.
I'm looking for
Dress.
what is it? It's the dragon stout with the cherry syrup.
Cherry syrup with little cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sell it.
Yeah, I thought so, man. May I get one, please?
What's that? Let me get one too.
It's so good, Steven. Give thanks.
Yo, make it take a picture.
All the while, you know.
Yeah.
Looking about it, you take a picture, yeah?
I'm doing a video. Make it two of them.
You make it take it right.
All right. So,
Dragon.
what is it?
It's dragon stout with cream and cherry syrup.
Dragon
So
star with
good.
cream and
Yes. Delicious.
All right. So here we got the cherry syrup, the ice inside.
Yeah.
He's gonna get some cream now. Oh snap. I live in Jamaica all my life. When I say it first, man, I said this.
Call it back and front.
It's called back and front.
That's it. But it's back and front.
Back and front.
Yeah.
Alright.
I want to change.
No, man. I'm really working on it.
Everyone's all fascinated. Look at those intense looks. Back and front. There we go.
You find work.
You see, I take picture of everything, my boss.
Eh?
I take picture of everything.
Yeah.
See what I do?
This is the ginger, yeah?
Ginger.
Yeah, this is the taste.
Back on front. I'll come back here.
Wow.
Yes.
Wait, let me taste. Because I want
You gotta be
one.
on it.
Take a sip from the cup.
That's good.
Yeah, you mix it and you taste it.
I want one.
Yeah.
All right.
One more. How much?
2 bills each.
Okay.
Woo!
No.
That's good. It's really good. How is it?
Delicious.
Of course. Wow.
Good. I'm waiting for mine.
Yo, this back and front drink thing is like, it's really good. It reminds me of like a Coke float. It's what a Coke float is definitely like ice cream, generally vanilla ice cream with Pepsi on top or Coca-Cola on top, and that's pretty good. But this is even more interesting because it has the same concept, ice cream, except there's no soda. It's strawberry syrup, it has dragon stout, and then it has ginger, so it's like a whole burst of like flavors. It's damn interesting, man. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it up. I normally mix my Coke float to get everything in one, and I'm gonna go on enjoy this. You see me? And the hot Jamaica sun. You know, the sun hot like 10,000 degrees, I swear. I think Jamaica sun hotter than Jamaica have its own sun. We have our own sun here. Everybody else have their own sun, but Jamaica have their own sun. Yo, well hot. So I'm just there now as I finish off this back and front drink. It's really good. But we're currently in a restaurant. I think we're getting like fried chicken and stuff. But yeah, I get fried chicken, same way. Yes, everybody getting fried chicken and stuff. I mean, what I kind of find is like most Jamaican restaurants have the typical foods, which is like fried chicken, curry goat and stuff. Sometimes we could have find oxtail a lot easier, but you're not gonna find oxtail so easy because it's more expensive. Not everybody will buy it, but go-to is always fried chicken. Can never miss with fried chicken. It's pretty affordable though too, because it's like anywhere in between like US conversion, maybe like $5 can get you a meal and get you something to drink. So we're just here waiting and stuff. Hopefully we stop getting drinks here. And I think Mercedes is gone on her adventure to get like a dress. Like she's always off on some adventures. Hopefully we can find her when the time comes. So, yeah, we're just here chilling and stuff. What's up, bro? What kind of bag is this? What do they call this bag?
What kind of question is that?
Yeah, do you know the name of the bag, what we call it in Jamaica?
Plastic bag.
No, we don't call it plastic bag, my youth. If you can't tell what bag it is, you can't eat.
A black bag?
A scandal bag.
Oh my god.
We call it a scandal bag.
Oh, I've heard that.
Yeah.
You just have to pay.
To go in? I think probably we have to park out here.
And then pay, yeah.
Yeah, we'll park over there. So we just got to Burwood Beach. That's where we are. I'll take you guys inside pretty soon. Yo, we just got to the beach, man. And it is hot AF. Like seriously, it's really hot. Yo, trust me. I know, but we are about to try to head into this place. I don't know what the situation is. When I was younger, it used to be like free. But now I think you have to pay. So,
It is not your first
let me just check.
No.
We're here before
It
you
is.
came.
Dude! What is this pretty much like? Yeah, that's pretty much it. The beach here is beautiful. Yeah, the beach here is beautiful. It's gonna be clear and everything. Yo, there's a lot of changes. There's quite a few changes. It's not like what it used to be, but I think it's kind of changed for the better. Some persons might say, oh, you know, you change and you affect the nature, which I'm like that too, but like, it's a little bit more open, a little bit cleaner, and more organized, you know? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, look at this water.
Oh, that. I want a little bit of sun and a little bit of shade.
Like this.
Huh?
Over there you can see like the hotels pretty much.
Well, that's the resort.
Yeah, resorts are over there. But this water is really clear. It's clearer than the one in Portmore that we went to a few days ago. It's gonna be dope. Ain't it good, right? Ooh.
Smells
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one is way better than the one in Portmore.
better?
Yeah, it's clearer. I'm gonna get some good footage. Oh yeah, it's way better.
Never said no to her.
The red stripe.
Yo, even the sand here feels like
The sand
so
is
much softer.
soft.
Yep, it's a powder sand.
Yeah. It's like that you know the commercial where like it was like the sand you could shape.
Yeah,
That's what this feels like.
you guys could feel the sand. Yo, this sand feels like so good. Jeez. Ah. How you feeling, man? Jesus. Cannons.
Okay. All right. Oh. No. Down there. Yeah. Right.
Not that high. I've seen high.
High tide. Yeah. I guess that's just regular high tide. But I guess if it's stormy weather, the tide would get high.
I believe it could get higher than that.
Getting higher than that, right?
Possible.
But you guys don't have a lot of tropical storms, do you?
Yeah, like maybe in September, October, that's like our hurricane
hurricane
season.
season.
So like
That's
during
the
that time.
hurricane season for everybody, though.
Exactly. Because
From-
Florida.
Yeah. For the States, it's like really the hurricane season is long. Because it's like from the end of June
Yeah.
through August, September, in that range. Oh, those were your shorts.
Yeah.
I was like, whose are these? When I took them out the dryer last night, I was like, all right, I don't know who these. I looked at them and said, well, they too small to be Malachi.
See, mine's would be wide.
Yours would be twice that size, baby. But that's grandma's boy.
Yeah. Got my pistachios, be cracking. Yeah, buddy.
No pistachio.
Be cracking. This is what I gotta do. I have to always like make preparations and stuff. Especially like video wise. But you guys can't see me at all. That's better, right? A little bit better. So we're just about to get ready to go in the water. Malachi, you ready to go in the water?
Yeah.
Me too, buddy.
Left.
I'm ready to go in the water.
What is really Nice.
Just trying to find my GoPro. Okay, I got it.
That me tell us that they want me buy it back. Yeah, sell it back.
And yeah, to be honest, I kind of prefer it this way, as I said before. I prefer how relaxing it is, how calm it is. And yeah, I used to come here as a child, like very often, maybe almost every other Sunday, you know, and it's very nostalgic. Every time I come to Mobile, I always try to come back to the beach. And I think we're on a request because before I said I wanted to go to every beach, every named beach, and now this is my third beach. This is our third beach. We're going in the space of 2 months because it's still February, so that's good. Like a new beach every month, that should be fine. So yeah, we're about to head in the water, and I will show you.
On Instagram.
What's that?
Picture me in the bathing suit. Wait, Steven, I'm trying to win a trip to Jamaica.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Okay. Jamaica giveaway. Look at that, guys. You can win a trip to Jamaica.
No, it's 2 for 2.
Nice.
If I win, I don't know. We have to see. And I was like, they sent me this and I bought the bathing suit to wear to Jamaica. Now let me see if I take a picture on the beach in Jamaica, maybe I'll have a better chance of winning.
Possibly.
Yo, what if someone just Photoshop one?
Well, sounds smart. We could give you a 6-pack with your Canon. Oh boy.
Now,
Yeah, but we're just laying back, so as I said, I'm gonna get myself ready and then hop in the water and I'll show you guys that. You see me, so yo, catch you later.
It may be a cruise ship, but I don't think it's not that Disney.
Maybe.
Backside ship that.
No.
Kind of backside.
What's wrong with Disney? Huh? Oh, okay.
Draw dirt.
Disney thinks that the perfect family is mama and daddy and two kids.
Boy and a girl. Whatever they
Single
do wrong, they get
single
forgiven.
parents, you know, single parents and gay parents, you know.
Alright, welcome.
That's not the perfect.
When has Disney ever done a gay?
They'll welcome them. They'll take their money, but don't mean that they agree with them.
These are good. I love these.
You really think so?
That's scary.
Power sailing.
That's scary.
Good. I've never done that before, but maybe someday. Little Teddy over there talking about jewelry. He's talking about jewelry. Let me just finish this, and then we can hit the water.
You're doing this next time.
If you want to sleep, then sleep.
Let me go in the water.
But we not sleep none at all. Cause we have to touch the water all and all. Pretty man.